is Marc Augustine, and in this video what we're going to talk about is where you can dropship in 2022 and what you need to know about each of these platforms. So like the video, subscribe to the channel, in the comment section ask me anything about dropshipping and e-commerce. I'll get back to you. I may even make a video about it responding directly to your question. So leave those questions in the comment section. Also in the description there's a link to our new Telegram, Grindcamp Telegram, and there's a link to 2 Facebook groups. So you hit those links in the description and join the communities, because we're going to be publishing free training for you guys, free, not just on this video, but on this channel, but also a platform, the new Grindcamp platform, where you have free training on Amazon dropshipping and so on. So look forward to seeing you guys in the communities. So yeah, I've been dropshipping since about 2013. When I first started, I dropshipped on eBay. I transitioned to Amazon, and I've made old videos about why and the differences and so on. And in 2022, I've sold on Amazon, Facebook. I have some Facebook videos on Walmart. I have some Walmart videos in the past if you guys are new. But on 2022, these platforms still exist, and I'm doing certain things on platforms, and you guys, depend on how much money you have to invest, how much experience, this is how you decide what platform you should sell on. So for me personally, 2022, I'm on eBay, and I made a video about that, but I don't know if I published it. So I started back to dropship on eBay a couple months ago. We're building up slowly. One of the accounts is selling about 2 or 3 items every single day with about a 70% profit margin. But this is a new account. Why I'm doing eBay dropshipping and why you should consider it. So eBay dropshipping is a business model that you could start with little to no money. With the new eBay management payment system, they're paying you in 2 to 3 days. So it's easy to have a couple $100 and reinvest that money as the sales come in. Is eBay a platform I think you can make $10,000 a month? No. My goal with my eBay account is not to make $10,000 a month. My goal with my eBay account is to make about $2,000 or $3,000 a month profit in a 3 to 6 month period on a monthly basis. Outsource a lot of the work, so there's still, and I'm paying about 35% profit of my profit to the assistant that's helping me in that account. And with the difference, $2,000 to $3,000, I should make about an extra $1,000 to $2,000 a month. And I recently started back on eBay about 2 months ago. So we have a couple items, no, about a month ago. It was right around Christmas. So we have a couple of items listed. We have about, I think, a little under 30 items listed. We're getting 2 to 3 sales a day consistently. And if you are a beginner and you have little to no experience in e-commerce and you want an option to sell online with a low investment, eBay is somewhere you want to start. Just because of the reasons I just explained. Because the other platforms, so the 4 platforms, generally you have options on eBay, Facebook, Amazon, and Walmart. Now if I categorize those 2, I would suggest that eBay and Facebook, beginners should start there, and Amazon and Walmart, if you guys have some money to invest or some experience, or you want to get into Amazon and Walmart if you want to scale up to making $10,000 a month. So I personally do eBay. Now Facebook Marketplace are those you guys, best for those of you guys based in the United States. The United States and the UK. UK has a shipping option now. Also Germany has a shipping option as well. So those 3 places, United States, UK, and Germany. But the most of you followers that follow me are from the US. So you have an opportunity to dropship on Facebook, where the same business model as eBay, where you use retailers. You could snipe, you could choose price, your margin, depend on your strategy. But it's good for beginners because, again, you're not investing a lot of money. Facebook pays you out 5 days after the item is shipped, so you don't need as much initial investment as Amazon. As Amazon and Walmart, because those platforms pay you out 2 weeks later. Now there are advantages to Amazon and Walmart, so I'm just giving you the options in this video. But my suggestion is, if you're a beginner, you start on either eBay or Facebook. Now the other two main platforms, Amazon and Walmart, those platforms pay out every 2 weeks. They also scale much quicker than Facebook and eBay. Why is that important? One, you're going to need more money to run the accounts, whether it's cash or credit, because you're going to have to be turning that money. If you have $3,000 credit, $5,000 credit, you could be selling on Walmart and Amazon, but be prepared for when it scales. Because both Amazon and Walmart, the focus is keeping your metrics tight and taking advantage of the high volume of sellers on these platforms with little competition. So if you're not experienced, if you don't know that as soon as items are sold, either yourself or your VAs have to get these items shipped out immediately to keep your tight metrics, I do not suggest you get on those two platforms. If you have extra cash or credit and you are ready to take on the fast pace of Amazon and Walmart, there are huge opportunities on those platforms because the level of sales that happens and there's generally lower competition than Facebook and eBay. But a suggestion on Amazon, generally speaking, a lot of people like to use, and especially the old VAs that a lot of people outsource to in the East, use a lot of Walmart as a supplier. One of the biggest tips for Amazon in particular is you want to ensure that you do not use Walmart as a supplier. You can use Zorro, you can use a lot of other people, but that's one thing. If you're getting into Amazon, know that you should not be using Walmart, but you have a little extra time to get the items out. So I will still suggest that if you're looking to make $10,000 a month and you're ready to get these items out, or you have some experience, sell on Amazon. Now Walmart, and also on Amazon, you don't need a corporation. You can start, the startup cost is about $300-400 outside of the cash or credit you need to fulfill. On Walmart, you want to drop ship, you want to make money online, you can sell on Walmart. The advantages of Walmart is that there's generally less competition than all the other platforms. Why? There's less competition because you actually need a corporation, you need a tax ID number, you need a DUNS number, you need a website, but if you go through that entire process of setting up a proper Walmart account, then you have a huge opportunity to be on a platform with billions of dollars in sales and have very little competition, as opposed to Amazon. Amazon has billions of dollars in sales. You have an advantage where you don't need a corporation, but going through that process of getting that Walmart account puts you in a marketplace with much less competition than any other platform, and you're continuously able to make 15 to 20, I would say about 30% profit margin. So, just to give you, I know I jumped around a bit and I rambled a lot, but to give you a basic summary of what I'm trying to explain to you in this video. There are 4 main platforms you can sell on that give you free traffic in 2022. eBay, Facebook, which are both, I suggest, for beginners, Amazon and Walmart, which are more for the intermediate guys that have cash or credit and ready to scale to make $10,000 to $20,000 a month. But you have to be aware of all the differences, and I'll make more in-depth videos and break down each one of these business models for you guys. But just when the dropshipping model is very valuable in 2022, but you need to know, when you're playing on Amazon or Walmart, you need to know what items to sell, what to expect, keep your metric tight. Facebook and eBay, you can make a couple other mistakes and learn slower. Anyway guys, like the video, subscribe to my channel, let me know in the comment section how I can help you. Look in the description for the groups and Telegram group. Peace.